My name is Cynthia Martinez. I'm the owner of Nixtaco Mexican Kitchen and Distillery.
My name is Patricio Weiss. I'm the executive chef and owner of Nixtaco Mexican Kitchen and Distillery. We're from Monterrey, Mexico, and it's a very distinct cuisine, and we wanted to showcase that, and we noticed that there was nothing like it, and that everything was pretty much the same. When we first opened, we were very proud to say that we were bringing heirloom corn from Mexico to make traditional corn tortillas with corn from Mexico. Until recently, when we were able to locate a farm in Pleasant Grove that is growing all the corn that we use in both of our restaurants for all our tortillas locally. And we're very proud of that we were able to move that usage, and we're no longer importing, we're just using it from over there.
I still remember our first time going to the farmer's market here in California was insane. The amount of different vegetables that we've never heard of or seen.
Incorporating those ingredients into our recipes was just amazing, because we had a tomato that tastes like tomato, a strawberry that was really red and tasted like a strawberry. It was great to see people just as excited as we were at the beginning to go and buy the heirloom tomatoes in July and August and September.
Since day one of Nixtaco, even before it was Nixtaco, for us was very important sustainability and local sourcing.
Sacramento is very important to us. Sacramento is awesome, we believe. I mean, it's a farm-to-fork capital of the world. We have so many farms around us. We have immediate access to whatever we need. I can pick up the phone and ask for a special chili to be grown for me next year, and then it gets delivered, and we get to work with this amazing produce. It is the farm-to-fork capital of the world.
As a food lover, this is the best place to be.